Yes, Peter. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
From many days, I've told you the syllabus of UT. 3 chapters. Can you tell me the name?
Transportation in plants,
Mineral
cell, mineral nutrition.
How many of you have started studying for the unit test? Although it is postponed now, it is in July, but still, how many of you are studying? Nobody's studying yet. Nobody started preparing for the UTs.
No, ma'am, started.
No, ma'am, I have started.
Okay. Today in this period, we'll be doing something. Like I told you already that I'll be preparing you side by side for UT. I picked up something for the chapter cell. You will not tell me what is your score, how many correct, how many wrong, because this is not a test. Again, I'm telling you, there's nothing to panic. It is not a test. Don't tell me your scores, but analyze your own self that how ready you are for the coming UTs. Got my point?
Okay, ma'am.
See,
Okay, ma'am.
just analyze yourself. When I discuss the answers, keep putting a tick in wrong, and analyze yourself that how much you are prepared for the test. Now see what we are going to do in this period. I'll show you. Two MCQs on your screen. Can you see? First one, second one.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to simply take your copy or a paper. One, and if you feel the correct option is C, write C. If you feel it is B, do B. Just the answers, number 1, number 2, number 3, and the correct options. No need to write the answers also. Just according to you, what is the correct answer? Please write it on your sheets, the first and the second one. Just the options, children. I'll tell you the answers. I'll discuss the answers with you, and then you check on your own. Start, please. I hope you've understood what has to be done. Yes, Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
And once you're done with the first two, let me know. I'll scroll down and show you the next ones. Just the number and the correct option. Let me know when to scroll down.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Everybody ready? Should I go down?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Anyone wants me to wait? Otherwise, I'm scrolling down. I'm showing the next ones. Okay. Let's be ready. We'll discuss the answers quickly. Now I'll show you the next two. You'll get to know how well prepared you are. I'm showing. The third and the fourth one now. Start beta. Hurry up, beta. And also let me know once you're done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Peter, you said something? Done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Third and fourth, done. Now I'm scrolling down. And after we finish checking the answers, after I tell you the answers, you take out your own scores. No need to share. If you want, it's fine. If you don't want, don't share it with me. I'm absolutely okay. Fifth and sixth. Abu Zaid, you can start from here. Fifth and sixth. Is it okay, beta? This is not a test, just a self-analysis. Let me know, children, when you're done.
Ma'am,
Done?
Ma'am, done.
Others,
Yes,
should I
ma'am.
scroll down? Others also, should I show you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one now. We have done till 6th, 7th and 8th. Do better.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, anyone who wants me to wait? Or should I scroll down if everybody has done? Tell me. Should I scroll down? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
If everybody is done, let's go down and watch. We have done up to 8th, children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's move on to the next. Let's finish it, then we'll discuss the answers. 9th and 10th on your screen now. Let me know when to scroll down. Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
two or
ma'am,
three
done.
yes. Just 2 or 3 yes coming up. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? Okay, fine. I'll show you now. We need to discuss the answers also. 11, 12. See how many are there? 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 are there. Hurry up, beta. You're doing which one? 19th? 9th and 10th is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, let's improve. 11, after 15, I'll discuss the answers first. Till first 15, I'll discuss the answers. 11th and 12th. The rest we'll do later and discuss later. We'll finish till 15, then we'll discuss the answers.
Ma'am, done.
Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, I'm scrolling down quickly now. Fine. After 15, we need to discuss. Let's do this. Till 12th you've done, beta? 13, 14, quickly. 13, 14, then last 15.
Ma'am, done.
Should I show the 15th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the 15th. Let's discuss the answers.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, just
Ma'am,
last 1 minute. Last 1 minute for all. I'm discussing the answers now. You have to simply put a tick and a cross for your answers. That's all you need to do. First 15. Yes. Valid. We've taken up a difficult level also. F0, F1 complex. Vacuoles. Intusception. This is a new word for you. You've not done it in the syllabus. Porous double membrane. This we have done. Interconnected sacs. Mitochondria. Cell wall. Chitin. Some, no doubt, I agree. They're not there in your book. They're a little extra, but never mind. Cell adherence. This also is not there. Some proteins embedded on some of the surface. 12th, Robertson, fluid mosaic model. Protein synthesis. Nucleolus. Chloroplast. Approximate 50%. Did you get them correct? Or less than 50%?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, that fluid mosaic model should be Singer and Nicholson.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number is this? Which question number? I did not check the answer. Which question
Ma'am, question
number?
number 12.
Let me read the question once. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. Yes, yes. This is wrong. Nicholson and Singer. See, there are some things which are out. We have not done. So if we exclude that, after excluding that, if you get about 60-50% correct, then your performance is okay, satisfactory. Let's do the 16th and the 17th one now, quickly. Let me know once you're done, children.
I'm done.
Very quick, very good. I'll scroll
Ma'am,
down.
done.
Good, 18th and 19th. Let me know when to scroll down, okay?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta, all of you are, if you're fine, should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Because we need to discuss answers also. 2021.
I'm done.
Very quick. Let me know when I need to scroll down. Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
22 and 23 now. 22, 23. Once you're done, let me know. Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, children. 24th and 25th. Then one only 26th is left. We'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I'm showing you the last one from the MCQ so that we can discuss the answers as well. Okay, 26th. Do this, let me discuss. Let me know when done so we can discuss the answers then.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, what about others? Should I start discussing?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, I'm discussing the answers now. We have to start from 16th, right? Let's go back to the 16th question here. Keep checking your answers. Chloroplast, permeability, blue-green algae, structurally and functionally different, micelle, bacteria. Some of them are, of course, not there in your syllabus, but never mind. Lysosomes, all of these, hydrolases, lysosomes, all of these. Out of 26, 3 or 4, which are not a part of our syllabus, but still, on a rough average, if I take 20 from 26, which are a part of our syllabus, then you must have done how many? Correct. At least 10 are correct? Yes or no? At least 10 correct
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
At least 10 should be correct, beta. That shows that your preparation is going fine because some of them are not a part of your listing. Okay, this is something tricky for you now. First, second, and third. This I'll discuss only 5. Once I do 5, I'll discuss the answers. If you know, well and good. If you don't know, leave it. Don't perform that part. Leave it blank.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Hurry up, Adil.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Everybody, should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are going to be tricky for you. We'll do up to 5 only, then we'll discuss the answers. Do up to 5, let me discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Very quick. Let me know others also once they are done.
Ma'am, done.
Should I discuss? 5 answers, beta. If others are done, should we start? Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let's start. Keep checking. There are 3 blanks here. Cells, unicellular, multicellular. Cell biology. Robert Hooke. Robert Brown. Sheridan and Schwann. How many you got correct?
Ma'am, all.
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 I was expecting that this you'll get correct because this is something related to previous knowledge also. 6th, 7th, 8th now. 6th, 7th, and 8th. Only 3 at a time. Let me know, beta. Let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta. Okay, I'm discussing beta. Let's see this answer. 6th one is division of labor. Functional unit of life. Division. How many correct?
All.
Ma'am, all.
Good. Okay, very good. 9th, 10th, and 11th. Do beta.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta, let's wait for others. Done, beta. Should I go down, children? Do up to 13 now.
Ma'am, done.
Let me know when others are done. Let me know others when to scroll down. Should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm scrolling down. We'll discuss the answers once we finish these fill in the blanks. Just 1 second.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Now I'm discussing the answers in a minute. Okay, we have to discuss the answers from we have to start from which one, beta?
Ma'am, ninth.
Ninth one. Ninth, let me show you. Prokaryotic, eukaryotic cells. Tenth one. This probably you do not know. Leave it. Gram positive, gram negative, I have done with you. Let's move on to the next one. 12th. Form of vesicles, tubules, and lamellae. Vesicles, tubules, lamellae. Polyribosomes and polysomes. Hook and basal body. Cell wall. Let's do this together. Tell me the first one is true or not. Read yourself. Tell, true or false? What is your opinion? Tell me.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Okay. Two of your friends will say true. Yes, very good. It is true. Very nice. What about the second one?
True.
Guesses for the second one?
True.
True.
Let's check. Again, you people are saying true. Let me see if you're correct. Very good. Third one.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
I'm
True.
true.
Chalo, let's check. You are saying true. Oh, wow. Okay, quickly, one more. We still have 30 seconds.
True.
Tell me.
Ma'am,
True.
true.
Oh, wow. You are smart children. Yes, next one. Fifth one. True or false? We still have 10 seconds.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Very nice. So many you've done. Too good. What about this? This we had discussed in the class, radial spokes.
True.
Ma'am, true.
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 Yes. So many you did in less than 1 minute. Great.